What is the difference between umbilical cord stem cells and other types of stem cells?
Well, umbilical cord stem cells are really the very first stem cells that were ever discovered, and because of that, they are the most widely used. Most of the science that we have today about stem cell usage is geared around umbilical cord stem cells. Only in very recent years have we found that you can get stem cells from other places, such as the skull and the scalp and other pieces of tissue. We don't have very many uses for those kinds of stem cells at this point. Whether or not those kinds of stem cells will be very important in the future remains to be seen. What we do know is with umbilical cord stem cells, we have the basic building block of the human body. In other words, when your baby is born, they are made up of these stem cells. And it wasn't until the early 1980s that these stem cells were found to be in cord blood, placental cord blood. And we were actually just throwing them away. Now that we're collecting them and storing them, we've been able to figure out how to use these to treat other diseases. And so these cells are literally the basic building blocks of life. They have not differentiated into other tissues for which we're trying to make them go back into their basic form. In other words, an umbilical cord stem cell starts as a blank slate and then it can become any other kind of tissue. When you take a stem cell from the scalp or some other part of the body, we're then trying to make that stem cell into something that it isn't today. In other words, it is a new kind of tissue and we're trying to change it into another kind of tissue. For an umbilical cord stem cell, we have the basic building block of life.
Get answers to all of your cord blood questions quickly and completely with Cord Blood Essentials. Free copies are available at www.stork.md. Then click on Free eBook.